Hello and welcome to all the Fungus tutorial video on fruiting chambers. There are many different types of chambers that can be used for fruiting your mushrooms. Depending on where you are growing, use the type that fits your situation. I will go over a few different types of chambers that can be made for around $10 to $20. Some tools you will need to make your tubs is a drill and drill bit, micro pore tape and a deboring tool to clean up the jagged edges from the drill bit. First let me start with a bucket. They are cheap and everyone should be able to get a hold of one. You might already have one. When making your chamber be sure to use a sharp drill bit and take your time. Otherwise you could put too much pressure on the plastic when you are drilling and it could crack. If it does crack, do not worry because you can fix it with tape. Alright, back to the chambers. As you can see, I have drilled holes along the sides of the bucket, along with a larger hole on top for light to enter through. You can do different variations of the holes, but you want plenty of holes for airflow. Once you've drilled all of your holes, cover them with the micro pore tape except for the large one on top that is only meant for light to pass through. You are trying to balance high humidity and fresh air. You will need both to be successful with fruiting your mushrooms. Next are two different tubs. The first has a pattern on it that I just followed and covered the holes with micro pore tape. I've put red dots on the image to make it easier to see where I've drilled. The next is a sterilite tub with a seal on the lid. For this tub I've just drilled holes spaced out throughout the side of the tub. As you get more advanced, a tent is a good idea, though it still requires some maintenance, filling the humidifier, cleaning, etc. Here is an example of a tent that can be used with automated controls: a humidifier, exhaust fan, lights and timers. Thanks for watching and make sure to leave a like if you found this video helpful.